Kasalanan ba ng Diyos na si Judas ay magkanulo? Hindi. Binigyan ng Diyos ng pagkakataon ng lahat ng tao na magpakabuti. Kasalanan mo kung ikaw ay magwawala. Hindi kasalanan ng Diyos. But if you're able to understand that life is much bigger than what you think, the gospel of today, heaven and the kingdom of God is much bigger than what you think. My dear friends, my brothers and sisters, what are you willing to let go for heaven? Gratitude is a very powerful emotions that lead people to happiness. As I always say this, the secret of a happy life is a grateful spirit. Kung marunong ka magpasalamat, magiging masaya ka. Kung miserable ka sa buhay, ibig sabihin, reklamador ka.